How to delete playlist on YouTube mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're using YouTube on your phone and want to get rid of your playlist you no longer need, well, I'll walk you through the steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here on this page, scroll down and you'll see the playlist section. Simply tap on view all to see full list of your playlist. Now if it's a playlist you created, just tap on the playlist, and once you are here inside, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu you can simply select delete playlist and confirm it. And that's it. But what about playlist like watch later? This one is a bit different. Since it's automatically generated from YouTube, you won't be able to see a delete option when you tap on the three dots of it. That's because it's built into the app for saving videos to watch later. However, you can get rid of it by clearing out all the videos inside. Just tap on the three dot on each video and choose remove from watch later. You can also select remove watched videos and clean it up faster. And once the playlist is empty, it will disappear from your list and you might need to close and reopen the app to see the changes. And that's it. That's how you can delete playlist on YouTube mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.